Hello, grade 10. So for today, let's have our discussion about the Fibonacci sequence. So it is just a basic sequence. So just listen to this video. So Fibonacci sequence are the sequence where the third term and the terms thereafter are formed by adding the first two preceding terms. So ibig sabihin, nakukuha daw natin yung pangatlong term by adding the first two term, yung naunang dalawa. So if we have here a sequence of 1, 1, para makuha mo yung pangatlong term, you just have to add 1 and 1, which is 2. So you now have, and the next terms thereafter will be 3. So inad lang natin si 1 and 2. So para makuha yung susunod na term, you just have to add 2 and 3, and that is 5. Okay, so if you begin with 2, 3, the next term will be 5, the next term will be 8, and the next term will be 13. So that is just a basic concept of a Fibonacci sequence. But let's discuss saan nga ba nagmula yung Fibonacci sequence. So it was named by Leonardo Pisano. So si Leonardo Pisano, it should be 1N lang. Pisano. Sa kanya ipinangalan yung Fibonacci sequence because of his nickname, Fibonacci. Okay? So, nabuo niya yung Fibonacci sequence by the rabbit experiment. Diba? Ginawa natin during the face-to-face yung sa rabbit experiment. So, nag-start siya sa isang pair ng baby rabbit. Diba? During the first month, we have one pair of baby rabbit, then the second month, yung baby rabbit na yun nag-matured. So, ilang pair meron rabbit tayo sa una? Isa. Then the second month, yung baby rabbit nag-matured lang. Then on the third month, yung matured rabbit nag-produce ng another pair of rabbit. And assuming that they never die. So, ibig sabihin, on the third month, we have a 2 pair of rabbit. And on the fourth month, yung baby rabbit na bagong produce, nag-matured, and yung one matured rabbit is nag-produce ulit ng another pair of rabbit. So, meron na tayong ilang pair? 3. Okay? So, merong 2 matured rabbit at isang baby rabbit. Then, nag-continuous yung cycle na yon. And nakabuo ng ganitong sequence. So, napansin niya na nakukuha yung mga susunod na number of terms by just adding the first two preceding terms. Okay, so that is just the basic concept on Fibonacci kung bakit tayo nagkaroon ng Fibonacci sequence. So, let's have an example of determining the next terms of a Fibonacci sequence. Okay, let's say we have here 1, 3, 4. So, to get the next terms, so after 4, we have 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 plus 4, that is 11. 7 plus 11, that is 18. Okay, second example, if we have here 2, 5, and 7, so the next term will be 5 plus 7, that is 12. 7 plus 12, that is 19. 12 plus 19, that is 31. Okay. Next, if we have here 2, 2, and 4, the next term will be 6, 10, and 16. Okay, so if 4, 9, x, 22, y, and z is a Fibonacci sequence, what are the values of x, y, and z? So, ano ba yung una nating value ng variable natin na pwede nating makuha agad? Okay, that is the value of x. So, x is just equal to, by adding the first two preceding terms. So, 4 plus 9, that is equal to 13. So our x is equal to 13. Now, y is equal to 22 plus x, or 22 plus your x, which is 13. And 22 plus 13, that is 35. Therefore, y is equal to 35. And z is equal to y plus 22. And our y is 35. So 35 plus 22 is equal to 57. Therefore, our value of x, y, and z is 13, 35, and 57. We can have our sequence of 4, 9, 13, 22, 35, and 57. And that is a Fibonacci sequence. So with that, I hope we are clear with the Fibonacci sequence.